with friends in land and sky and sea. Softly now come sing with me our gentle animal symphony. In golden fields the cheetah runs, lions roar beneath warm suns, zebra stripes and giraffes so tall, hippos splash by rivers call. Springing gills the cheetah run, gorilla drums beneath warm sun, orangutan stripes and giraffes so tall, sloth drifts slowly through one knee. Swinging high where vines entwine, the razor runs a jungle rhyme, orangutan with wise kind eyes, sloth drifts slowly through green skies. Way higher vines and guns, your gallop chosen neath one sun, sloths meow, take a rat's kind eyes, sloth drifts slowly through the knee. On icy flows the polar bear, silent paws through frigid air, snowy owl on silent wing, snow leopard's quiet roaming. Hearing guy vises by, there's your brand, a sky and sea. Softly yell no sing with we, our gentle animal symphony. We the world's for weather free, the friends and I, with sun moonlight, the ring and sand with my star night, my chance to ride 'em all still prisoners. Penguins glide beneath blue waves, otters hold hands in cozy caves, sea lions bark along the shore, crocodiles rest where rivers pour, foxes tiptoe through dapple light, wolves sing softly in the night, koalas nap in eucalyptus trees, moose waits gently where waters breathe, pandas munch their bamboo tree, chameleons change so neat and sweet, hyenas laugh in chorus near, bearcats wander without fear, bears munch a down on tree, I knew you should so near me, I leave it laugh in chorus we, bankrups wander without thee. We've roamed the world so wide and free, with friends in land and sky and sea. Softly now we sang with glee, our gentle animal symphony.